So if I want to go into the virtual reality aspect of things, I would like to bring customer service in play. We have a lot of people that come in here for the first time to experience virtual reality. I mean, your customer experience is very, very key in this regard because these customers that come in, they don't even know what they want. They don't even know, they just know that they've heard about virtual reality and they've seen people play it and have fun. So having a very good customer experience team will come into play here. That way, they will be able to guide them properly. They will be able to show them, lead them, and help them to have that unforgettable and memorable experience. The right customer experience, the right customer service, sometimes it's all that matters. Sometimes your customers will not even want to play, but just because of the engagement, the experience, the customer service. Okay, for instance, now you can have a game that can be so scary, and the customer will say, you know what, I don't want any scary game. But your communication, your vibe, that customer feedback, that customer, relationship, can make your customer have an unforgettable experience. So I've been emphasizing this customer experience, customer relationship is key in this business. It's key in almost every business because we try to make sure that our customers come first. We try to make sure we do everything to keep our customers happy and keep them coming back. Not just that, coming back with their friends, with their relatives, coming back to experience our games, especially in the areas of virtual reality. We have a virtual reality game where you can play with your friends. We want our customers to enjoy the experience so that they'll not just keep coming back. They'll give us referrals. They'll come back with people. And I mean, what business is better? What business marketing is better than your customer feedback? So you having a customer giving you very good feedback, it is something that can skyrocket your business to greater heights. So it's very important you put that into consideration when running a gaming business, making your customers happy. We have cases where some customers experience a game, especially the virtual reality, of course, and they were not even happy. They didn't enjoy the game, but they were like, okay, we spend the money, let's go. We don't like that. We ensure our customers live happy and we do whatever it takes. We give them other games for free. Just make sure you're happy. Having gaming is therapeutic as well. You're here to ease up, you're here to relax. And you come here, we're expecting you to have a wonderful time and you're not happy. We say no to that. We ensure that our customers have the best of the best. So if you come to our game centers, for instance, and you're not happy, the game is on us. We can leave you there the whole day to make sure you're happy. You can play all our games. And once you see that excitement on your face, we're fulfilled. That's just what we want. We want to see you smile. We want to see you laugh. We want to see you happy. We have customers that come in here angry and unhappy or stressed. But at the end of the day, they're living with smiles. They're living with joy. They're living with excitement. Those are the kind of things we want to see happen in your game centers. So always ensure that customer satisfaction is number one in your business. Okay. So let's talk about marketing. Marketing. Very, very important. In fact, in any business, a business without marketing is like, I don't know. For your business to get out there, for people to know that you exist, you need marketing. And you also need to ensure that you have your branding in place, you have your store, attractive, And you know, after having the right customer engagement team, it's very important to put that marketing structure in order. And how do we do that? Yeah, the social media aspect is there, you know, the physical bills handout is also there, So when customers come into your location, your center, and they take pictures, they do videos, this is one of the ways your location is spread out, because they're having a good time. They want to have that memorable experience, and they're in a way marketing your business, because they come in with videos and they promote your business for you indirectly. That is another area for marketing. Talking about influencers, this is something that has played a very, very vital role in our gaming business. When we have, there's a lot of times we have, some top influencers coming here. First of all, they like the environment, they see the excitement, and then they get to engage. So getting the word out there is like, what the influencers do for you is, I don't know, the kind of, there's an explosion, because once you have an influencer enjoying your service, enjoying having a great time here, and the words get out, it's like, I mean, we can't even explain it, because the way our business is promoted with the aid and with the assistance of influencers has really helped us a great deal. And we've had them coming again and again, coming here wanting to even do content to promote their own business. And at the same time, it's working for us, because, an influencer comes in here to shoot a video, do a content and post it online on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. And before you know it, you're seeing people asking, where is this place? I want to come, wow, this person was here, so it really gave us a significant edge in our business. Social media marketing has transformed the way marketing is done. And if you can do it right, it takes your business to a whole new level, because, we are in one location, and a lot of people get to hear about us just based on social media alone. So the customers are coming here, the word of mouth that spreads out, the videos that they take, the sharing, and then the influencers, influencers having a lot of followers and members on their page. Just one simple post just gives us some unmanageable crowd, and we try to make sure that, okay, if you're coming from an influencer, you have particular kind of offer, because we understand the benefits of how the influencers promote our business and how they help us with the aid of social media marketing. It's something that has transformed our business in ways we did not expect. We didn't even start out at that. One of the reasons why we did not even jump into the social media world was because we felt we were not there yet. We felt we didn't have the beauty or the brand that we needed to have. But sometimes you don't need to wait to have that. Once you have good quality service, how do you have good quality service? Once you have the right team, like I said, regardless of your equipment, regardless of the kind of gadgets you have or the machines you have, once you have that good team, it takes, sometimes it's all it takes. I remember when we started, we didn't even have all these machines and simulators that we have now, but we had the right team, and this team really helped us grow. So when we started marketing with what we had, we saw that the energy was all that mattered. the way we showcase the business, the passion we had for it, the passion we put into it, and that is what these influencers do. You know, they come in and bring out the passion in you, bring out the passion in the business, and that is why they are called influencers, because they influence you. You want to affiliate yourself with them. So social media marketing is key, is good. We also have other forms of marketing. We do, the online marketing, the digital marketing. We do the handbills, we have the flyers, we have the brochures, and we have the word of mouth. We are located in a mall, in a very large mall. We have a lot of influx of traffic, so we have people, communicating and enlightening and trying to market to customers that don't know anything about esports or virtual reality. So we have all that, and it really goes a long way in growing the business. It really helps the business to scale very fast and give that business that advantage, in terms of the awareness, and it gives the business that edge to keep doing whatever it takes to be better. So marketing is very key. It plays a very, very big role in our business, and has really helped our business to get to where we are today. Marketing and branding. So another way we also promote the business is also hosting events and tournaments. You need to create some kind of activity for people to show up. So we have these tournaments we usually host periodically, and we host that for the esports area. We do that for the esports area, and also we're planning on bringing something fantastic for the virtual reality area as well. And we believe that these are the ways we create our own strategy to promote our business, and it's one of the ways we showcase what we have, create that awareness, showcase what we have, and bring in more people, because it's also very important to reward your customers in the business. So without this tournament, we will not be able to do that. So sometimes we just do something like a gaming competition or like an event, meet and greet, gaming hangouts, and we usually do some brand sponsorships as well, and this in a way brings in new people to the business, brings in more awareness for us, and because of the giveaways and lots of giveaways. Most of the time these giveaways are sponsored by brands. We also do our own giveaway because we want to reward our customers, we want to appreciate them. So I think these are one of the ways we ensure we promote the business, and bringing this, ensuring that the business is in a very, very strategic positioning for more opportunities. So marketing is key in this regard, and it really helps us a lot. So owning a virtual reality game center or owning an esports game center, owning a digital entertainment place is a lot of hard work, and if you're someone that is passionate about gaming and you like cutting edge technology, you like entertainment, you want to entertain people, you want to make people happy, and you want to have unforgettable experience, I think this could be the business for you. I think so. So this will be all for today. If you found this video helpful, as usual, hit the bell notification and just like our video, subscribe, and you know, we hope to see you again in our next video where we'll continue to talk more about the gaming business as a whole. I'll keep diving deeper and deeper into various aspects of the business and showcasing how virtual reality in Nigeria has come to stay, showcasing how the esports business is a booming business now. And until then, just keep staying active and keep being yourself, keep doing what you do. And I'll just say bye for now and thank you.